Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about Open Web Application Security Project Top 10. Okay, OWASP is a non-profitable organization which are helping professionals who are developing the software related to web applications, websites developers, security professionals, pen testers who are just having some concern about the security of web applications or websites. Okay, they are having wonderful team around the world of security professionals which are guiding how to develop the secure project and the websites you are having on your web servers, how to secure it, what should you take care so that you can protect your website from cyber attacks. Okay, so in today's session I will discuss about all this, what exactly is those top 10. Okay, there are others also as well, but here we are just going to discuss top 10. Okay, for example, you are having a web server which is having website of your company. So for example, this is the web server where your for example say www.example.com website is residing. Okay, the nature of the website is that it is accessible for anyone. Anyone means from internet, any user can access it and can see what are the web pages exist on your website. Okay, and what are the information provided on your web server. Understand, it can be for example, here is normal user, he is sending some request to your web server, and in return of that request they will it will just send reply to the user. Okay, this is the one of the function of a website. Another thing is that you are having some form. Okay, something you are accepting from the users, so they are just giving some information, some data, and which you will store on your database. Okay, this is the another functionality of that exists on your website. Okay, now the question comes, how the hackers can use this functionality of your website. Okay, they can inject some kind of data in a crafted way. Okay, so that malicious code, when they will enter, and this malicious code will be stored on your database here. Okay, and later they can execute that query and can get off the record what database exists, what users are there, what their credentials, they can get it. Okay, and if you are using the plugins or some software on your website, and if you haven't configured it properly, then they can also take advantage of it. Clear? And if you have some sensitive data, they can also steal that data if you will not properly configure. Okay, another thing is that the administrator is just using a weak password. Okay, and not properly monitoring what is happening on your organization, on your website. Okay, so that can be also the vulnerabilities, and hackers easily can guess, or the URL, maybe you are leaving those one as a default one. Okay, you are not using the best practices to configure your website properly. Hackers can take advantage of it. Okay, or they can insert some malicious URL on your website, which will redirect your users to another website, okay, or the cookies, the way you are dealing with cookies, they can also steal that, because it is having sensitive information. They can also exploit this. There are many vulnerabilities can exist on your website, and if you are not enough aware, then hackers can take advantage of those vulnerabilities and can take advantage on your website. They can damage the reputation, they can damage the business, okay. Your website can be unavailable for your legitimate users, okay. So if you are a web developer, web administrator, security professional, pen tester, visit OWASP website and over there check what are the vulnerabilities may exist on your system, and how to just take the best practices to stop those kind of vulnerabilities from your web servers. Okay, follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members as well, so that they can understand about OWASP top 10 and the wonderful resources available on internet as well, so that they can get the guidelines from over there and can make secure their website or web applications from the hackers. See you in the next session. Namaste.